Listen up. This is basically going to be like a quick guide for dummies. If you are still single, then this video is for you to get a girlfriend ASAP. We are going to upgrade what you got with 5 easy steps. You might be wondering, where do we start? It is kinda obvious, but you have to get fit. Getting fit is always the first step in any kind of transformation. You see all these influencers online getting female attention, that's mostly because they are fit. When you first meet a girl, she's not gonna know what kind of person you are on the inside. You might be kind, you might like puppies, you might like a lot of things. But remember, she doesn't know all of that. So, you gotta get her attention through your looks. Don't worry about your current physical appearance. If you are working out, going to the gym, you will slowly start seeing changes in your body, and the girl you like will appreciate your efforts. Staying fit shows that you care about yourself and you are ready to put in the work. Keep exercising and you will start to see changes in your mood as well. This reflects in your confidence and how you feel about yourself. Now, reason number 2 for why you don't have a girlfriend is because you lack confidence. But we gotta do more. Start by learning to be kind to yourself. I know what you are thinking, how is that going to help? Well, your self-confidence is linked to your self-esteem. How do you actually feel about yourself? Do you like yourself? Are you happy with how things are in your life? If you answered no to any of these questions, then we have some work to do. Forgive yourself for everything in the past, so you can focus on what is happening now. Try to think of all the things that upset you. It may be relationships with your friends and family. Or even something more personal. Work things out with the people around you. And if you believe that things are better if you leave them alone, then you must learn to let go. Once you have resolved that, you can pick up a skill. Something you might like to do. Learn how to make food or attend a dance class and break a sweat. This will keep you occupied, and you might start feeling a lot better about yourself. When you learn to love yourself, you become more confident. Another thing you can do to help with your confidence is to dress better. Wear something simple. A basic solid, colored t-shirt and some good jeans is a good place to begin with. Throw on some jewelry. Women love jewelry, even on men. A chain and some silver rings can really help you stand out. Not just clothes, but women love to see you put effort into your footwear. Moving on to reason number 3. Be cool, man. You gotta stay cool around her. Don't try to get a girl's attention by being over the top. Keep it chill and don't act desperate. Women can smell desperation from a mile away. You like her, but to make her like you have to take it. First, be a good friend, she will definitely appreciate that. Make her feel comfortable and always understand that she doesn't owe you love. You only have a chance if you don't expect anything in return. Just enjoy her company. Women already know that they have plenty of options. So, don't just be one of the rest. Genuinely be interested in her. What does that mean? Learn about what she likes. It could be Formula 1 or even talking about Elon Musk's crazy tweets. Once you know something about the subject, you can add to the conversation. This way you don't seem creepy, and you'll seem genuinely interested in her interests. An important tip to remember: don't just focus on her interests, try to introduce your interests in a fun way. Only focusing on her likes will seem a bit sus. So, make sure you add something of yours to the mix. Once you get her hooked on what you like, it's pretty simple from here. You've basically got a cool friend and a cute girl in the same person. When people say try acting chill around her, it doesn't mean that you become distant with her and make her feel all confused. Reason number 4. Before we get into it, this one is going to be a bit specific, but it will definitely give you mind-blowing results. Stop watching porn. This is the most crucial step when transforming yourself. When you become addicted to porn, your brain slowly becomes weak. You turn into this version of yourself that you don't even like. After Effects must have keyframes selected from one layer in order to export them as text. But that's the problem. Over time it can suck you into this vicious cycle, making you feel like you have no power in life. You have forgotten how to interact with people, especially women. We have to get one thing straight: You can't get a girl without actually talking to her. We know it sounds scary, but when you remove yourself from porn you will slowly be able to socialize the way you used to. You become more accustomed to people than the pixels on your screen. Follow the practice of NOPMO to quit porn. No PMO stands for no porn, masturbation, and orgasm. It is a practice followed by many, and it is said to have several benefits like increased happiness, boosted confidence, increased motivation, and willpower, and the most important benefit that's associated with today's video is improved attitude and appreciation toward other sexes. Our channel has many resources on NOPMO, semen retention, and how to quit porn. You can check out these videos to learn more. Reason number 4 of why you are still single is you don't have your life together. This may be your career, your ambitions in life, and how you balance work and play. Women like men with direction in their life. It shows that you are serious and have long-term plans. By doing the first 4 steps you might get a woman's attention, but to seal the deal you have to show her that you have certain plans set up for the future, or at least an outline of it. Let's go over things one by one, okay? First, do you have a job or a stable source of income? This is important because it shows you have some sort of financial stability. Second, are you saving up money and do you make healthy investments? This is crucial because it shows that you are saving up for a rainy day. Third, are you determined to follow your dreams? Yes, believe it or not, all of this makes you more attractive to a woman. So, figure out what you want to do in life and start taking active steps towards making your dream a reality. Following these 5 steps, you will surely find success with the ladies. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more content from Blocker X.